Gala Games at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a pullback after losing a significant key area of support above the 0.026 and also the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which was also acting as support. And all this is playing out after we saw an aggressive pump to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02679. And in today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts and also give you my pullback target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the 1-hour chart to first give you a recap of this Elliot wave structure, which started to play out on the 5th of July when we saw this massive breakdown move. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas for the second wave. Then we started another impulsive movement to the upside in what have been terming as the start of an impulsive wave in this Elliot wave count 3. Whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, and then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave. For the third wave, that is the minimum target areas for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.02657, which is an area that we fully maximized yesterday. And having fully maximized our minimum target areas in this Elliot wave count 3, I now believe that we have a high in place in this Elliot wave count 3, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a pullback in this Elliot wave count 4. And the minimum target areas for the fourth wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which perfectly lies between the 0.02417 and the 0.02335, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And this is the area which we need to pay attention to in case of a pullback in the next coming hours. This is the area I will be watching for Gala Games to give us a pullback into, find support, and also give us a low in place in that Elliot wave count 4 before we can start another aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5 in a move that can easily take us back above the 0.03. We also need to have in mind that we can also easily get a shallow Elliot wave count 4, and what that means is that there are chances that we can get a pullback and maybe we might not fully maximize this target area over here, and we can easily get a turnaround before we get into this blue target area, start another bounce to the upside, and in case of such a movement, then I will need to see a break above the 0.02601, flipping that key area of resistance back into support, and also see a break above the significant highs we made yesterday above the 0.0268. And the moment we manage to break above those highs, then that will be enough confirmation that we have a low in place in this Elliot wave count 4, and we have started our impulsive move to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, and this area right here is my pullback target area. So continue paying attention to that target area. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.